you want to slice it along the lines of your onion. If you cut it this way, the texture of the onion will be less mushy. Right here is your typical mini bella, also known as cremini. But the mushrooms I really love are shiitake. It has more texture and it has a lot of that umami flavor. And then oyster mushrooms I freaking love. So this I bought from Sprouts, and I've noticed at like American grocery stores, conventional grocery stores, Sprouts, Whole Foods, Vons, whatever, this will run you about $5. I bought, these are also oyster mushrooms, but look how much bigger they are. And this was only $3.88. And then this is bunapi. The lentils will taste really good. Like I've had a lot of apple sage combo. I don't have any apple, but I do have some orange marmalade, courtesy of Rockstar, and I think it'll be perfect because it will add a little bit of brightness to our lentils, and also some sweetness to contrast the savory flavor. I love the smell of miso. So I'm using a light yellow miso because the flavor is a little bit milder compared to other misos, but they're all tasty and have their own uses. Oyster mushrooms. You see the fiber, the texture. Bell pepper cooks really quickly, so I am not putting those into the pot. Oh yeah. Look at that steam. Does that not look good? I think that looks pretty bomb. This is what we got, guys. A realistic meal.